Today, I decided to order myself a cheap gaming PC off of eBay. Let's take a look. Alright, so here's the listing. As you can see, we've got fast gaming desktop computer PC, Intel Core i3 3rd gen, 8GB DDR3, 500GB Windows 10. One sold, that was unfortunately me. But I mean, yeah, taking a look at the listing, we've got some RGB fans on the front, an RGB remote. And yeah, the total price for this was £253.99. A little bit overpriced, but yeah, what you guys are about to see is the unboxing. Let's take a look at it and see if I got scammed or not. Alright, so literally after a day, it's already turned up. That is amazing shipping. Like, Amazon Prime next day's got nothing on this. Considering I ordered this off eBay, the shipping was expected to come on Monday, but it's here already. So we're going to unbox it here. So yeah, here's the box for it. So yeah, let's just go ahead and neatly cut the box open. Boom. This is our gaming PC. Right, it's kind of upside down right now. Let's just get this polystyrene stuff off. Let's just put that down here. Lift this off. Let's just whip that off. Oh, we got an RGB remote. Look at that. So we've got RGB fans at the front here, so we can control that with this. Wow, my PC doesn't even have this. Okay, this is looking pretty good. So we've got a Windows 10 sticker here, which is on very straight. I don't know who put that on there, but yeah, Windows 10 sticker. It's not even official either, like someone's just made that. So anyway, yeah, let's take the side off and see what we've got inside. And here for the big reveal. Yeah, this is what we've got. So we've got no graphics cards, as you may have noticed. We've got the most boring heatsink ever. I don't even know what that is. I was expecting an Intel one, but okay. We've gone for 8GB of RAM here. So we've got very average looking RAM here. No RGB RAM or anything. We've got like this really cool gaming case with RGB fans and stuff, and then you just look inside and this is what you're greeted with. So another thing I've noticed is that this is actually a Lenovo motherboard. So I think what they've done is they've literally just taken an off-the-shelf PC, taken the parts out of it, stuck it in this epic RGB gaming case, and sold it to me for 250 quid. So if we come around back here, here are all our ports. Now I didn't actually check this on the eBay listing, so I was hoping it would have DisplayPort or HDMI or something. So it looks like we've got a DisplayPort there. Got VGA, this doesn't have a HDMI. This is our Wi-Fi, literally just a DS, what was it? In focus, 802.11n USB Wi-Fi. So no Wi-Fi card or anything, they literally just stuck this in the back here, using that one USB port. All right, let's just take some of the RAM out and see what we've got here. We have got, don't even know what that is. I don't even think it's branded. Yeah. Well, I've ordered 8GB of RAM. Yeah, really high performance gaming RAM this is. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say really. I don't know what I was expecting. Like, I mean, a super fast gaming PC is what I obviously expected. But yeah, it looks like we've got a pretty average PC in a gaming PC case. But yeah, let's get it all plugged in and let's see what this is like. Alright guys, so just ran the Windows initial setup here, and this is what we're greeted with. So we've got some pre-installed bloatware here. We've got Ball Guard, we've got Spy Cleaner, AnyDesk, and Adobe Acrobat. I don't know why this has come pre-installed on the computer. I'm probably just going to get rid of it because I've used Ball Guard before, and honestly it does more harm than good. And while we're on the topic of bloatware, this is a Windows 10 home installation, so we've got all of this stuff here that we don't really need. So I've already gone ahead and taken a look at the specs here, but if we just have a look at them here and open it up, I've been mugged off. Look, So we've got i3 2120 CPU, and the advert said 3rd generation Intel Core i3. So we've got a 2nd generation Intel Core i3 here, which I'm not very happy about. So it just means we've got an even slower computer than what was advertised on the listing. We've got 8 gigabytes of RAM, so that's good. We did check that, so it's good that that's right. And another thing I noticed was that it's really slow. Now, obviously, this is running off a hard drive. It's not an SSD, so it is going to be slow. However, I went ahead and went to the task manager here. And as you can see, if we just wait for it to load up, yeah, we've got quite high disk usage and not a lot's going on. If I just scroll down here, like, there's nothing really taking up the disk, like literally at all. So yeah, it looks like we've got a failing hard drive, boys. Well, I guess it's all for the content. Anyway, let's go ahead and install Minecraft and see how it runs on this system. 18 FPS, 2125. Oh my god. I'm using my capture card right now to record, so I haven't got any recording lag. This is genuinely how it is for me right now. Oh my god. This is... this hurts. If you've got a 144 Hz monitor like me and trying to play 30 FPS, oh, it's not very good. We're running off the Intel HD graphics right here. What happens if we look down? How many do we get? I get about 45. Look up. Yeah, we get 60. We want to try and at least get 60. 60 is kind of playable. So what have we learned from this video? eBay sellers cannot be trusted. This was essentially a PC building company that have pretty much just sold me an old OEM computer inside a gaming PC case. Now, I knew we weren't going to have a graphics card in here, but I at least expected a 3rd gen processor. So they've really shortchanged me here, and yeah, it's not really good. I mean, not even being able to run a game like Minecraft, well, it's pretty disappointing. So with Christmas coming up, make sure not to order a gaming PC off of eBay, because there's a good chance you will get scammed, just like I have in this video. Now let me know in the comment section down below what you want to see me do with this computer. Do I want to upgrade it? Do I want to try some more games? Do I want to overclock it and push it to its absolute limit? Let me know what you want to see in the comments down below. This has been a pretty expensive video to make, so I'd appreciate a like and subscribe if you're new. I'm a new channel around here, so I really would appreciate it. But yeah, thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you in my next video.